Want a fast way to launch apps, search files, and boost your productivity on Windows? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to install ueli on your computer. We'll download it from the official source, complete the installation, and make sure it's ready to use. So let's get started. Start by opening your favorite web browser. Type ueli into the search bar and open the official website or the official GitHub releases page. Using the official source helps make sure you're downloading the latest and safest version. Once you're on the download page, find the latest stable release. Download the Windows installer. In most cases, it'll be an exe file. Just wait for the download to finish before moving on. Next, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. If Windows shows a security prompt, take a quick look at the publisher information and continue if you're comfortable installing the application. Now follow the installation wizard. Accept the license agreement if prompted, choose a different installation folder if you want to, and click Install. The process is usually pretty quick, so it shouldn't take long. When the installation finishes, click Finish to launch ueli. If it doesn't open automatically, press the Windows key, search for ueli, and open it from the Start menu. After ueli opens, you'll usually see the launcher window or a system tray icon. Try using the default keyboard shortcut and search for one of your installed applications. If it shows up in the results, everything is working correctly, and that's it. You've successfully installed ueli on your Windows computer. You can now launch applications faster, search more efficiently, and streamline your daily workflow. If this guide helped you out, consider liking the video and subscribing for more easy technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.